Installing and activating VELL eSIM on your Samsung Galaxy is simple. Make sure you install your eSIM before your trip, so you're connected the moment you arrive. First, search SIM Manager on your device. Click SIM Manager. Select Add eSIM. You have two options to install eSIM: install with QR code or install manually. To install with QR code, you must have the code ready on another device or save it in your gallery. Select Scan QR code. Select saved QR code in your gallery, or you can scan QR code saved on other device. This may take a few moments. Congrats! You have successfully installed your eSIM. Now, if you want to activate it manually, copy the activation code and go to the same screen. Click Enter Activation Code. Paste the activation code and tap Done. And wait a few seconds. You have successfully installed your eSIM. Now, you have options to change your eSIM name to avoid confusion. We recommend name your eSIM as VELL plus your destination. Let's name as VELL Japan. Yay! Your eSIM is successfully installed and ready to go. Once you've arrived at your destination, go back to SIM Manager and Settings. Turn on your VELL eSIM. Under Preferred SIM, tap on Mobile Data and select VELL eSIM as default for mobile data. Next, we recommend turning off your primary SIM to avoid any unexpected roaming charges. Now, go back to Connections and Setting. Go to Mobile Networks and turn on Data Roaming to activate your eSIM. Congrats! You're now connected to the world with VELL eSIM.